If you ever stood outside in any remote area, you have probably seen the night sky like this, or this, or maybe even this. But if you could see on 180 degrees, you would see this. This is what astronomers define as a celestial sphere. And there are two of them for the Earth, the northern one and the southern one. The difference from one another is in the entirety in what you can see. Let's give an example. If you live in the northern hemisphere, you probably are familiar with this sky, and much more than that, with this star. This is Polaris. But if you lived for your entire life on the southern hemisphere, you have probably never seen this star. But for sure, you can see this one. This is Polaris Australis, or Sigma Octantis. These stars are important for one thing. They are both polar stars. A polar star is a star that's almost perfectly aligned with the pole, meaning that it will be 90 degrees or directly on top of you when you're standing at the pole. They are very important because they were and are used for navigation, and it's fact when someone is talking of its latitude, it's talking of where its pole star is compared to this position. If you're at a latitude of 35 degrees north, it means that the Polaris will be 35 degrees from the horizon. They are also very important because they are always present during the year because of Earth's sun and other stars' positions. The star will move through the sky and will give the illusion of appearing and disappearing, all except the polar stars. This is not the only illusion that the motion of a star gives. Our sun, during the day, moves through the northern sky in a clockwise manner, but it moves in this direction only because of the Earth's anti-clockwise spin. This is also why our clock goes clockwise, because of the first clock, the meridian, the time always proceeds with the sun clockwise. This has been Astronomy in 5 minutes or less.